Hey everyone, we have an unboxing. This is two molds from New Craft Day that they sent me. So I'm going to open up and take a look and see how they are. I will have a 10% discount code for New Craft Day in the description of the video. Sorry for all the package rattling. So I picked out two mold sets. Again, sorry for the rattling. This is a beautiful hummingbird, which is very, very detailed. Flowers. So I will be doing that in a later video, creating that. This is just an unboxing video right now. Look at the pretty details. And I got these tall crystal molds. So my fan doesn't blow that away. We got 1, 2, 3. 3 sizes. Each just slightly smaller than the previous. In height as well as, I think, girth. Just a little bit less. Very nice quality molds. Can't wait to try these out and see how they work. Let's see. So that's like 5.5 inches on this one. And that's right about almost 6 inches. And that one's 6 inches, but a little wider. How's that? Yeah. Just a smidge difference, doesn't even look like it's 1/2 inch. I could also have it off the line mark a little off. But we'll be doing these molds later. Just wanted to show these off. Again, showing the hummingbird mold. I'll have the links to each of these specific ones in the description, as well as the discount code. The code is Coral10, and it is New Craft Day. So if you want to check out their molds, picked up some stuff off of my table here. Sorry about that. Thank you all. I appreciate it. I know it's been a little while since I've been on. I've had some health issues over the past couple of weeks and stuff, and finally starting to to feel a little better. Appreciate everybody, and over 600 subscribers now. Thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends and family. Thank you all so much. Bye, and have a great day.